We are using the platform to store all of our CAD data, all of our test reports and non-CAD documentation on 3D Space app of the platform. We use the maturity states to control if a particular document or a part file or a drawing is being worked or if it's released. This kind of helps us to understand what is the latest revision or what is the latest state of a drawing or a file. So prior to using the platform, revision control was basically renaming your part file to be revision 1.1, 1.2. There were instances where there was a final revision, then there was a final revision. So we were using computers, but it felt like we were using Stone Age technology just to manage revisions. When you're working with a complex product like ours, it is very important that you stay on top of the changes, and changes can come from a lot of places. It can come from your shop floor, it can come from the designers, or it can even come from your customers. So it is then important to understand how easy or how difficult it is for you to change something in the system and how a simple change affects every other thing, be it in your assembly or be it in your processes. Platform interface was based out of a browser, so it brings in familiarity of the browser to your day-to-day interaction with it. One of the things that I really enjoyed was giving access to the platform to other non-CAD users in the company who needed to be a part of the platform because they do so much with the data that is on there. And I didn't really have to hold their hand and teach them. I just had to send them a link where they created their user credentials and they started using the system like pros from day one.